Hi everyone, welcome to this video. My name is Sniper, and in this video I will be showing you guys a breakdown of a trade which was executed on gold. And at the end of this video I will be explaining how I took this buy position in more detail. So in addition to that, I will also show a screenshot of the actual trade that was executed, so you can see the proof of the execution of this trade. So let's get started. So first of all, we are going to be doing the bearish structures. I'm going to be using the highlighter, marking up red circles, which is going to be standing for the bearish structures. So as you can see, I'm putting these red circles on the candlesticks. Okay, so now we are going to be doing the bullish structures. So this is a bullish structure. We are going to be using a green color. Also, I'm placing it on the candlesticks, just as before with the red circles. Okay, so now we are going to be doing our first internal breakout structure, which is going to be aligning from this red circle over there. So I'm going to mark it as INT BOS, so internal breakout structure, and then I will mark it as red. So this is going to be our internal breakout structure. And after this, we are going to be having our liquidity grab of the Asian session range low, also marked from the red circle again all the way to the other candlestick. And this is going to be the liquidity grab. So there's no need to abbreviate over here. Just like that, make it black, move it to the bottom. Okay, and then after this, we are going to be doing the grab of the previous inducement candle. So also again, this is aligning from the red circle all the way to the other side, to the black candlestick. I'm just going to mark it with a simple X. After this, we are going to be working with the upper part. This is going to be the equal highs. I'm going to mark it with a simple X again. Move it to the top. So first of all, we came to our first demand zone, the blue demand zone, aligning just over there, all the way aligning with those candlesticks. And as I said, it's a blue demand zone. It's going to be having a blue color. Okay, so we are going to be having our inefficiency with the demand from that candlestick, and I'm going to mark it as the IFC. The inducement move is going to follow this from the green candlestick. I'm going to mark it as the IDM, so inducement move. Just like that. And then right next to it, there was an inducement high made, just over there. I also marked it with a green arrow. And then right next to it, there was the smart money trap. SMT is going to stand for the smart money trap. And for the smart money trap, I mark it with purple. So this is the smart money trap. After this, there is going to be the first red supply zone, which is the 5-minute on the 5-minute time frame, and this is for the target for the buys. As I said, the red supply zone is going to stay red. And then below it, we are going to be having our inefficiency aligning from that black candlestick and mark it as IFC. Move it to the right side, just like that. Okay, and then we are going to have the Frankfurt open price line aligning from that candlestick all the way to there. And I'm going to mark it as FOP, Frankfurt open price line. I will give a red color to it. That's good. After this, we are going to be having a blue demand zone all the way to the Frankfurt open price line. Yes, blue demand zone. Okay, now we are going to be moving onto lower time frames, which is in this case a 1 minute time frame. So we are working from higher time frames all the way down to lower time frames. So first of all, we are going to be starting with the build up right over there. Change the color to black, and then I'm going to write build up. Also no abbreviation at this time. I'm going to mark it, move it to the center. And right next to it, we are going to be having the liquidity grab all the way from that long candlestick to the other candle. So this is going to be the liquidity grab. And right next to it, there's going to be the blue lower time frame demand zone. Also on the upper part, there's going to be inducement high candle. I'm going to mark it with a green arrow, just there. And then right next to it, there's going to be a smart money trap. So SMT, and then the background should have purple color. Following this, there was a trade that was executed as the market was mitigated by the Frankfurt open price line. So I'm going to be my stop loss to the blue demand zone, the bottom of the blue demand zone, and my take profit all the way up to red supply zone. Up there, that's it. Okay, so now I will show you guys how this trade was executed in an illustration. So first of all, over here, as you can see, the market has initiated the bullish move after the reaction from the blue demand zone over here. And then after this, below this green arrow, there was the inducement high, which made the smart money trap right over here. So that once again confirmed the buy position for us. And then last but not least, the price tapped back into the Frankfurt open price line just over here, which created the Frankfurt open price line mitigation. Okay, and now I will show you a screenshot of the execution as a proof of this trade. So thank you for watching. So stay tuned for all the videos that are coming onto this YouTube channel. But until then, be safe.